Hi guys, it's Sadie from the Iowa State University Bookstore and welcome to my channel. Today it's all about cropping t-shirts. Crop it like it's hot. Here's the items that you need. Your favorite shirt that you would like to crop, a ruler of some sorts, pair of fabric scissors. These scissors are relatively inexpensive. You can find them at Target, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, or any local fabric store. And I recommend chalk, so you can mark on the shirt where you want to crop it. If you happen to have any extra or old t-shirts laying around to practice, I recommend doing that just so you can see what kind of cut your scissors are gonna get. All right, let's get ready to crop it like it's hot. Step one of making your very own crop top is finding out exactly where you want that cut to be. My suggestion, try the shirt on and mark it with a piece of chalk. As you see down here, I've already marked our shirt where we want it. A few things to keep in mind. Wherever you cut with a cotton shirt, the hem will roll with each wash and wear. So make sure to cut a ½ inch below where you actually want your shirt to lay, as the shirt will roll up with wear. Once you have your mark on the shirt where you want it cut, simply place your ruler down and you're ready to cut. Once you have your shirt marked where you would like it cropped, take a piece of chalk and glide along your ruler all the way across the shirt. This will ensure a straight line when making the cut with the scissors. Step 3, now you're ready to cut. Take your favorite pair of scissors and begin cropping. Start at one side, double layered. Nice, slow, and steady marks all the way across. The slower that you go, the more precise your cut will be. Go all the way to the edge. Notice I'm cutting through both layers of fabric. All right, your shirt is now cropped. Now, all you have to do, pull on the end, the hem rolls, and you have yourself the perfect crop. And here's Hallie with our finished project. Don't forget to crop it like it's hot. Now that you've cropped it like it's hot, you may wonder, what else can I crop? You can take all the techniques that we learned today. You can crop sweatshirts, t-shirts, long sleeve t-shirts. You can crop your boyfriend's favorite flannel. Now, don't throw away this extra piece at the bottom. There's plenty of tutorials on YouTube from everything from scrunchies to turning this into a tube top. This fabric is gold. Thanks for joining us for Hobby Week. We can't wait to see what you create.